Hello everyone, we are making seed bombs for our activity, and this is your grow card. So we're growing some flowers, but we're going to grow them in a new technique which is called a seed bomb. These are some we've made earlier, and it's basically a little clay ball, and inside the ball is a little bit of compost and then some seeds. As you throw these into the garden and it rains and they get wet, they slowly break down over time and the seeds are released. So it's a really cool way. You can give them as gifts, so you can bomb them into your garden or put them in little patches of soil that might need a little love, and you'll get some flowers that pop up. So the seeds we've included from Grow Yours are a calendula. In the sibling box you've also got a poppy seed. Calendula are very, very easy to grow. They're great in colder months. So these you can get into the soil now and they will grow super easy and keep coming back. And they're a great flower for crafting with as well and drying the petals. We use those a lot. In this tin or in your plastic bag in your single box, you have some recycled clay from my friend Samara at the Pied Potter. So thank you, Samara. This is real clay, so it will dry out if you leave it. So I would recommend doing this activity first. You also want to make sure it's kept in a plastic bag or a sealed tin like this, and somewhere that's dark and cool. So pop out a piece of your clay. So we're going to spread the clay out just into a little disc, to a flat pancake, and then we're going to build our little bomb inside there. So I've got a little bit of, I just got some dirt, some potting soil or compost would probably be better. Don't want too much, just a little bit in the middle there. And then we're going to add some seeds. So these are pretty hardy, as I said. You can be a little bit, you can put quite a few. These are cool seeds. They look like little caterpillars. Pop your seeds in the middle, and then we're going to wrap the clay up around the seeds and the soil like this to make our little ball. Roll it together. You can make flat shaped balls, you can make round balls, whatever you like. It's very much whatever you want to create here. And roll your little ball, and then we've provided some bio glitter. So this is compostable glitter, so it's made from plants. When you pop it into the garden, it will break down, so it's safe to put out there into the soil. We want to make sure we're only putting things out into the garden that can break down. So that's a really bright turquoisey green, and you could probably use a little plate for this. We've got this nice workspace, but then I'm just gonna roll my seed ball in the glitter. How cool is that? Push it in quite hard so it sticks. And there we go. So a ball all ready to go into the garden. You can leave it to dry and it will get hard. And then you can crumble it into the garden or just throw it into the garden, and the rain will definitely break the clay down over time. So you can get like a little egg carton and put some of these in an egg carton and let them dry. And then they're such a cool gift to give as well. If you want to swap seeds or gift seeds to someone, you can gift them in a little seed ball form. We've also pushed some pressed flowers into this one, or flower petals. This is a different color clay. Your clay will come out this kind of earthy brown color. So I can't wait to see what you create. Have fun getting messy and making some seed bombs, and then we'll watch the things grow, which is so much part of the fun. Enjoy.